So welcome back. I was trying to get a video of Jude doing tires. So with every tire installation that we do, unless it's a brand new rim, we wire wheel the seat and the bead, because every car that we see comes in with a bead that's a mess. Oh, actually, you still got to do this one. Flip this one over. And I don't know how tire shops who don't do this don't have comebacks.
It's not perfect. A little bit.
Good, bad, better?
Man, it's not. I think it's just a casting. I don't know.
Yeah, that's not so bad. That should seal.
Yeah. I mean, normally I run it around twice on the top just because I know I can't see, and it's fine. So.
It ain't always perfect.
It's not. It's honest work.
I mean, what would you really have to do to like ensure 100% of this? Refinish the whole inside of the wheel sometimes.
Yeah.
We're not doing all that. Or put tire glue on it, which we've done in the past. Depends on how bad it is.
But that's after we've also cleaned it and then said, hey, it's so easy. Let's go. Hold on, it's the ball.
El Dorado. There's your ball. Does anyone else find this satisfying watching someone else work? No?
Not really.
Well, if you worked for the union, right? And you worked for the highway department or the state, right?
Yeah.
You'd only have 4 or 5 guys watching one guy work.
Really?
You've never seen the highway department or road department or township?
Oh yeah, no, it's always like 4 or 5 guys sitting there.
Right? It's got to be like a written rule. Like, you work and we'll watch.
Yep.
Huh.
Well, why is one guy digging, right?
I've never
and
seen
5
more
guys
than, like,
standing
2 or 3
around.
guys working at a time.
Right, yeah. Why do you think it takes so long to build highways and roads? You got one guy working, right?
Yeah.
And 20 guys watching? Nothing personal, guys, but this is just what we see. Come on, Jude, blow it. Blow it. Just because I have you on video, you're having problems, right? Yeah. Yeah. Don't ever stick your finger in there, dude. That thing will snap your fingertips right off. Ask Jude how many tires he's installed since he's been here. Hundreds? It ain't always easy, is it? It'll go, it'll go, it'll go. Give it some time. Oh. Someone said on my YouTube that you were a good boy. Caleb was a good boy. I don't know who it is.
Thank you.
It may have been your buddy with the crazy hair.
You know which video it was on?
Cam.
Yeah. You know which video it was on?
I'm gonna check in a second.
I'm gonna check the comments.
All right, thanks for watching.